much.
The next one says
So much.
hey, it's his name.
Bayathandana so
Okay,
much.
the next one says
So much.
hey. It says congratulations on finding true love. I'm just gonna read what's here. Mina ngiyafunda nje mina ngithunyiwe. Ngizobathola one by two. Ngizobabuza ukuthi yini la ndebe ebhala la. You two make it beautiful. Why guys? Kodwa le letter yakabani.
Funda.
Seeing the way you look at each other makes my heart swell with happiness. Congratulations on finding true love. There was an Antwerp spot that it looked.
Maggie.
Wow, that's pretty.
It's nice. Thank you, Mama.
Oh, guys, please note there are a few more gifts coming.
Yeah.
I got Adidas sneakers. I thought size 10 by mistake, and then when I went back today, but they don't have size 10. They only have. They don't have size 9. They don't have size 10.
It's fine.
It is well.
Possible, I'll take it. Thank you, man.
From me, Kesan.
Wow, man. Thank you.
Changa.
Wow.
Because we know it's in levels. They will say. They will say. They will say Zian and I are hungry.
Where is it? Bye, Ting. It's fine.
Can I go off the live? Also, guys.
No, we don't have to. It's up to you guys. If you guys are saying no,
can I go off the live?
Yeah. For as long as
Are you guys done with the lives?
Yeah, man. Yo.
Just know our pockets are fat.
Yo.
Yes.
Bro.
you never expected it. They didn't expect it.
Oh,
Yo,
wow.
thank you so much.
Thank you, guys.
We love you guys. We love you.
Me, I have a special request, guys. When you get, even if you post toast, guys, when you together, because it's hard. You know, we had to use pictures to get the man. I have a video. But where's the video? I took it from someone.
Yes.
2,000 for it.
They said, come, find the man.
Thina abanye siyathena ngoba ukuthi asilali sifuna imali.
We even had to go to
Ithini? Lenetsha sicela ukuyibona. Iplenetsha sinaye. Sicela ukubona entsha sinaye. Ngoti yamshela, ngonemshela. Uthi uyamshela usinaye. Uyashela.